babies come from? God damn! Not every culture have them own like a story with them tell picnic about where babies come from. Like in America, it is very popular to hear about the stork, which I believe is just fuckery, cause where the hell does a bird get babies from to give to people? What the fuck? And then you have the birds and the bees. Really? Birds and the bees? I don't even understand the whole birds and the bees thing. What happened? Like the birds f the bees and or the bees f the birds and babies come? What kind of f***ed up mutation is that? I don't understand. But if you ask me where babies come from, you want to know where babies come from? No. Sit down. Stay right there. Right there. I'm gonna tell you where babies come from. You want to know where babies come from? Like I have a couple places where babies come from. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm gonna tell you where babies come from. Babies come from one too many drinks. Yeah, someone sit down and say right now you're the result of a Guinness and a big head spliff. Some of the parents they just go to a one party, you see me? And go so boom bang, bam. Me have one joke for tell you, saying? Alright, knock. I'm saying who's there? Alright, I'll do it by them. Knock.
Who's there?
Me I go.
Me I go who?
Me I go breathe you tonight. Yeah, skit. And then you that. Yeah man, most of you, you're the result of like one too many drinks. Where do babies come from? Some of you sitting there right now, you are the result of just let me put it in the head. Just the head. Man, you know what me I talk about. You know what me I talk about. Come on, babes. Just let me put it in it. That's all. Just let me put it in it. That's all, man. Just the tip. And it goes from the tip to tonight. Where do babies come from? Babies come from music. Music, man. Music. Somehow not dance hall, baby. Take into. Take it easy. We can't rap it. And somehow I like the slow jams. You see what I say? Girl, close your eyes. Let this penis get into you. Don't try to fight it, cause tonight me I'll breathe you. Relax your mind. Lay back and groove with mine. And you feel good, Where do babies come from? Some of you, you're the result of the honey goat syndrome. No, the one that we call the honey goat syndrome is when you just can't contain yourself. Most of the young couple don't know what I talk about when I say honey goat syndrome. The honey goat syndrome is when you take off your pants and your shirt and fear panty at the same goddamn time. And you just have two hands, but you take off three different set of clothes. A honey goat syndrome that use a condom. Some of you sitting right there, you're the result of the honey goat syndrome. Why do I sweat so much like when I'm on drugs? Pop the Marley, I'm sweating. Alright, back to the video. Virgins. Some of you sitting right there are the result of your parents being virgins. They never know what they did I do the first time. And when they almost pop feeling come, daddy never know what to do. God. What is? Whoa! Lord! I'm weak in the knees. Where do babies come from? There was no AIDS. Some of you sitting right there right now, you're the result of no AIDS, no STD. And you know, say when that wasn't around, god damn it, sex was like, hi, how are you? Good morning, bang, 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 bang. Good evening, bang, 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 bang. Good night, bang, 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 bang. Where do babies come from? Forgetting to wear a condom. I forgot to wear something, but I can't remember what it is. And this usually take place in the honey goat syndrome. Wear a condom. Wear a condom. I can tell you again. Wear a condom. Put a condom by your penis. Use your penis raincoat scene before you get soaked. Where do babies come from? Failed pull-out attempts. Some of you sitting there right now, you're the result of a failed pull-out attempt. No, worry yourself, babe. So I'm ready to do that now. Just drag out. See? Go on easy. Yeah, man. Well, you have some boss. Man, do my thing, man. Go. What you calling for, man? You don't see what you let me do now? No call me back. Where do babies come from? Some of you sitting right there, you're the result of an experimental sex position gone wrong. It was just too much. Daddy couldn't bear the rat back. That's when your mother day in the ceiling and your father go up the VR and them have sex upside down. It was too much for him and he couldn't get free unskeet. And here you are. Where do babies come from? Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, tell me man. Tell them where babies come from. Oh my, dude, shit. Oh my god, oh shit. Oh, dude, god, dude, fuck, dude. Tell them where babies come from. They come from ball sacks and fallopian tubes. Ball sacks and fallopian tubes.
Oh, idiot. Yes, man.
Yo, laugh, like, share, subscribe to my page, shit, go like my fan page on Facebook, Kevin Do Crazy, follow me on Twitter. Big up everybody who watch my video, they miss me. Shout out to The Arms House, it's a Facebook page, go like them Facebook page, see? This was my video. Where babies come from? I'm about to go waste a few babies right now. Jerking off.